It actually tastes pretty good. So this is just egg. For those of you who are looking to do vegan, semi-vegan, allergy sensitive to eggs, really try it. Just egg. Now what I'm going to do is really quick. I'm actually going to continue with this, and I'm going to make some vegetable fried rice with egg. I already have my egg already scrambled. I did some prep work already. So what I did earlier was I sauteed up some shredded carrots, mixed vegetables, onions, and then I used a little dried minced garlic. I'm going to combine it. So I'm going to add in some toasted sesame oil, grapeseed oil, my prepped vegetables. I don't have a lot of rice, so I'm going to just use about a 1/4 cup. Well, hey, saute that up, and that looks good already. Just leftover brown rice that I made, and to flavor it with the yellow, I add turmeric in it. I add powdered organic turmeric, and a little bit of seasoning. So let that saute up a little bit. And this is really quick. If you have just a little bit of rice already in your refrigerator, add in soy sauce. I like a little garlic in mine, so I'm going to add just a little bit of minced garlic on top. Finish sauteing this up. It actually smells amazing. And I'm going to add in my just egg. Add that in, and I'm just going to start breaking it up. Egg-free vegetable fried rice. Leave some chunks so that way it is egg. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of chopped organic scallions on top. Vegetable fried rice with just egg. This is up here with the hibachi rice that you get, and they dice it and slice it and saute it up. This is it. Remember, just egg that we use today, making vegetable fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this show. My name is Lisa Wigfall here with you today, and please subscribe to the channel, share, hit the like button, and until this time, remember to live, love, laugh, and most of all, smile. Take care. See you next time. Bye.